to another video. Today we have a framing nailer hack or deal you don't want to miss. If you need this tool, now is the time to pick it up. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So yeah, we pretty much got this deal where you can get the pair of Gen 3s, impact driver and drill driver with the case, charger, and 2 batteries. So you guys see there, and you guys could get this with that framing nailer with the combo here with the deal. You know what, guys? This by itself is $349. This is $699. But if you guys do the free tool with the hack, you guys know the hack, the big discount thing. You guys don't know what it is, I can explain it. There's a few videos out there, but what you do is you choose the free tool, because there's, you know, this is the hack. You choose the free tool here. Obviously, if you want this for the cheapest, you're gonna have to pick the most expensive, which is this battery, $149. You add both to cart, and voila, you get the discount. So it went down from $699 to $576. You're getting 100 and what is it, 30 bucks, 130 bucks or 120 something dollars, just right off, sliced right off the deal here, or the price. So if you guys need this kit, make sure you guys pick them up. So what you do is the tool that you want to keep, you put it to the store. You click on the store here. If you want to keep this, you click on the store. If you don't want to keep this, you click on to ship to home. When you ship it to home, when you place the order and everything, like in 2 minutes or 3 minutes, once you get the email, make sure you guys cancel this and keep the tool, or keep vice versa, whatever you want to do, vice versa, whatever you guys want to do. If you want to keep the battery and this. Obviously this one shipped to home, and this one do it backwards. Anyways, just wanted to let you guys know this is a killer smoking deal. This thing by itself is $349. Definitely check it out. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.